Guys, there's a new water flosser in town and it's super customizable. Let's talk about it. So this is the COLSUS WFP14 10-speed roll control water flosser. I got a pink one because I never get pink dental products and I figured why not. Anyway, in this video, I'll share some specs and features about this product, as well as pricing and what comes in the package. Then I'll show you guys how to use it on my own teeth, and then I'll share my final thoughts. So in terms of specs and features, the first and most awesome thing I want to mention about this water flosser is the roll control feature. So this makes for a very customizable water flossing experience. I usually see this on bulky countertop type water flossers, while the portable ones like this one typically just have a couple of different modes to choose from on the buttons. So the fact that they have combined the customizability of bulky countertop type water flossers with the portability of the handheld ones is pretty nifty. These guys are going places. Now, a few other things to mention. Aside from the roller feature up here, it also has two different modes to choose from with this button here. There's the flossing mode and then the massage mode. You can toggle through the modes by clicking on this button here. And so the flossing mode just provides a continuous stream of, or a jet of water, while the massage mode just kind of pulsates or spurts out water to create this massaging effect. Anyway, you can choose from 4 different colors. There's black, white, a mint color, and then the pink, which is what I got. The tank itself holds 300 milliliters of water, which is quite impressive for a portable water flosser. This is definitely a nice feature so you don't have to refill in the middle of water flossing. The only thing I would say about this tank, and really the only negative thing I would say about this water flosser in general, is the spout here is pretty small and it's hard to get in there to actually clean the tank itself. I've tried other water flossers where the reservoir is a bit more open, and so you can access it with like a small brush or sponge or something to be able to clean the inside a little bit better. But then again, that does compromise the size of the tank. But I personally would rather refill my tank, midway through my water flossing session and be able to access the tank to clean the inside more easily. But anyway, COLSUS does have a 30-day battery life. And of course, it is waterproof, so you can take it with you in the shower for a less mess water flossing experience. And then lastly, they do offer a 2-year warranty on their product for your peace of mind. Now, in terms of pricing, so this water flosser costs about $40. And for this price, you get the water flosser body itself, of course, as well as 2 standard tips, 1 orthodontic tip, 1 periodontal tip, a tongue scraper, and a USB charging cable. Now, spoiler alert, if you guys look in the description below this video, they are offering a discount of 30% right now. So make sure to check out the description below for discount codes and links to the product. Okay, so all of these specs and features are fine and good, but the real question is, how well does this water flosser actually work? Let's take a look on my own teeth. So here we go. I fill up the tank. I actually use filtered water, kind of bougie like that. And if your teeth are sensitive, consider using warm water. Okay, so then I pick my setting/mode and I turn it on. By the way, I love that I can toggle through all the modes and intensity settings while the water flosser is still off. I've actually used some water flossers that only allow you to toggle through modes and intensity settings while the water flosser is on. And that kind of makes for a messy experience for me personally. So kudos to COLSUS for making this part of their design where you can toggle through the modes while it's still off. All right, so anyway, I chose my setting and I get started. So I kind of guide the tip along my gum line, making sure to get the water in between my teeth as well. I do turn the water flosser off once my mouth is full of water to spit it out, and then I continue. You could, of course, just keep your mouth open and lean over the sink and let the water fall out as you go. I'm just kind of a neat freak and I prefer it this way. Or again, you can just take it with you to the shower and not worry about where the water goes because it's all everywhere anyway. Now, in general, I don't have any crazy spaces between my teeth, so I wasn't expecting much to come out, although I did see a couple of specks of food here and there. By the way, I do want to mention, and I always say this whenever I review water flossers in particular, but water flossing does not replace traditional floss. Some people may claim otherwise. I've even heard some dental hygienists say it's fine to just water floss, but personal experience clinically seeing patients who only use water flossing to clean in between their teeth, they always have some stage of gum inflammation, whether it be gingivitis or periodontitis, which is just a more advanced stage of inflammation. So again, even if you see particles or food debris coming out as you water floss, don't be misled. I still highly recommend you follow up with regular floss to wipe off the remaining plaque that's stuck to the teeth, which water pressure alone will not remove. Anyway, so as far as my experience with this water flosser, I would say it was generally very comfortable. Again, I really love the roll control feature. I think think it's great, especially for people who are just starting to use a water flosser. So you can have a lower pressure and slowly increase or work your way up to a higher pressure as your gums get adjusted to the feeling. The only thing that I'm not really a fan of with this water flosser, again, as I mentioned before, is the design of the tank where you can't really access it to clean it very well. But otherwise, if you're looking for a super customizable portable water flosser, this is it. By the way, if you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Anyway, again, as a reminder, make sure to check the links out in the description below and any discount codes that you can apply if you guys want to try this water flosser for yourself. Otherwise, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of your teeth.